had brake issues. A cop pulled me over saying my brakes weren't working. And then I looked online, and because mine's a cop car, the diagrams didn't match my car. I put a cardboard there so you can see. Now the guy at Ford, when he asked me if it was a provincial or municipal car, I said it was a provincial X car. So he told me, did I run a bump or did I hit a pothole? And I go, yes. So you know what he said? Lights are on. He said, turn it on without the engine. And he said, smack this. So I smacked it. And guess what? I don't know if you can tell. They're working. Assholes. He said it's because the provincials rewire their cop cars different than every other else. So I'm very happy that I still have friends at the Ford dealership. So, because I actually was going to get ready to change my fuses. Just doing that without breaking it solved my issue. So I can see it, but I'm not sure if you can. But it's working. Thank you, Ford.